Hey everybody, Stuart McAdam here, and in today's Facebook FAQ of the day, we're going to be looking at the question, should I target all placements and platforms? And if you stay with me right to the end of the video, I'm going to include some secret tips that I've learned from 7 years of Facebook advertising that you can use to apply in your business and your organization. Before we get started today, don't forget to smash that like button beneath the video and subscribe if you haven't already. So let's get straight into it. To answer the question straight away, no, you shouldn't. You shouldn't target all placements and platforms and everything. You should be very specific and structured and intentional. And I'm going to give you an example of why that is. Some devices just respond better. Some people are on smartphones, some people are on iPads, desktops, computers, tablets. You're going to find over a period of time that some platforms just respond better to your ads. So here's a campaign that I ran earlier on this year, and as you can see here, it was the best response from Android smartphones. Same thing as well with the placements. Most people saw this ad showing up in the audience network and also just in the video feeds as well, as opposed to having it in the right hand column, because it was a video ad and no one's watching a video in the right hand column, so it's just a waste of time and money. So my secret tips for you are, if you don't have a video, get rid of in-stream targeting. Remove right-hand column ads no matter what, unless you have been working in Facebook ads for a very long time. They're not going to respond. They almost never convert, and they almost never produce the results that you need. And always make sure you have ad images that are optimized for mobile. Even if you find that a lot of your audience is on computer, they may initially come to you through mobile and then convert on desktop or tablet later on, but make sure the images are always suitable for mobile no matter what. So thanks very much for watching this video today. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash that like button beneath the video as well, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.